Did you know that we have East Africa and Eastern Africa?
Sure.
Yes. East Africa has 7 countries.
Which ones?
East Africa has Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Democratic Republic of Congo, and South Sudan.
Okay.
Eastern Africa has 13 countries.
Which ones?
Eastern Africa has Burundi, Comoros, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Kenya, Rwanda, Seychelles, Somalia, South Sudan, Tanzania, and Uganda.
Okay.
Yes, but did you know that Ethiopia has the best electrified single rack standard gauge railway system in East Africa? Which is 753 kilometers long with a maximum speed of 160 kilometers per hour from Ethiopia to Djibouti. This project was contracted by China Rail Engineering Corporation and China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation.
That is so amazing.
Yes, Tanzania has the second best high-speed electric line which is almost complete.
Continue.
It is called the bullet train, covering 160 kilometers per hour from Dar es Salaam to Morogoro. First phase being developed by Hyundai Rotem from South Korea, and it will cover a total of 546 kilometers. First phase standard gauge railway, Tanzania.
Okay, I see development.
Yes, the third best in Eastern Africa is the Kenya's Mombasa to Nairobi standard gauge railway, covering 578 kilometers. First phase developed by China Road and Bridge Corporation together with China Communication and Construction Company.
Continue.
The train covers a minimum of 120 kilometers per hour passenger and 80 kilometers per hour freight. This standard gauge railway is not electrified, pending an upgrade.
I see no issue because all is development.
Look here, there is an issue. Ethiopia's 753 kilometers long modern electrified standard gauge railway costed $4 billion. Tanzania's modern electrified SGR from Tanzania to Rwanda, which is 1,440 kilometers, shall cost $2.5 billion. Kenya's 578 kilometers long standard gauge railway, which is not electrified, costed $3.6 billion.
Is that all?
That is not all.
Continue.
If you compare the $4 billion that Ethiopia used to develop and complete the modern electrified 753 kilometers long railway project with the 3.6 billion that Kenya used to develop the 578 kilometers long railway project, which is now moreover not electrified, you find that it required only a difference of $400 million for Kenya to come up with exactly the same modern railway system as Ethiopia.
So where did Kenya take the money?
Ask their government and leave me alone.
So you mean Kenya has no electric railway system?
Here is another Afro cinema. Kenya Electric Transmission Company, KETRACO, has signed a $239 million contract with the China Electric Power Equipment and Technology Company for the electrification of the Mombasa-Nairobi section of the Kenya Standard Gauge Railway. This means that by the end of the day, Kenya would have used $3.9 billion for the electric railway, which would have covered 472 kilometers, compared to Ethiopia's 4 billion electric SGR, which was used to cover 753 kilometers route. You will find most of this in our YouTube channel, but for now, use and understand these words the way you want, and please leave us alone.
This man